And in Tamil Nadu politics, Sasikala continues to influence the AIADMK politics. AIADMK unit in Tuticorin district passes a resolution demanding Sasikala to now be the General Secretary of the party. Now remember, this happened at a time when the AIADMK district secretaries meeting was underway in the party headquarters in Chennai. Akshay Nath, for all the latest on that. Akshay, this is very interesting because even if there is one unit pushing for Sasikala in any way, in this time as one of the important senior positions, that means she definitely has some clout there.
Well, yes, Pooja, what we're seeing here in the state of Tamil Nadu over the last couple of weeks is that Sasikala, the ousted leader of the AIADMK, has been in conversation with many of the AIADMK, AMMK members. And the state AIADMK unit has not taken that lightly. They have in fact removed many people, calling it anti-party activity to even talk to Sasikala. And at this juncture, when yesterday the AIADMK district secretaries meeting was underway, we had seen how in Kovilpatti, a place in Tuticorin district, the AIADMK's MGR youth wing and other units got together and passed a resolution stating that they want Sasikala to be the general secretary of the party. This kind of an issue has been brewing for the last couple of weeks. Similarly, there are other issues in the AIADMK also which are not being discussed in open. But what we're getting to understand is that all is not well within the AIADMK. There is tussle for power which is going on between EPS and OPS. Similarly, alliance partners issues are also being there. At this juncture, like Sasikala trying to make her inroads, it's like a big woe for the party in general, Pooja.
Akshay, keep tracking all the latest. Could this be perhaps a bigger return for Sasikala very soon? Thank you so much, Akshay. And this, while the Bharatiya